show you a weird game. Come on, let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What's that? A clean award? Yeah, you're darn right I did it clean. Look at this. Look at that. What's that? Wall push into... What?! That is impossible.
Dude! I found some Nerf guns we can play with.
No way!
Dude, let's go.
Alright, let's bring Jimmy.
Dude, don't you remember? Jimmy can't come because he's in a wheelchair.
Oh, yeah. Catch, Jimmy! Oh! Okay, not a doctor, but you're not supposed to land like that.
Ever see that Two Girls, One Cup movie? Yeah, awesome. Hey, we should call Nathan.
Yeah, you know what? I'll call him. Hey, Nathan, we're gonna go play Nerf down at the field by the train tracks. We'll get over here. Don't give me that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, all right. Yeah, be there.
What's happening?
It's changing. Boom! Headshot! My God, I hate you guys so much. It pains me to hurt you so much. Just get out of my house.
Oh, this hurts so bad. You wanna know what hurts more?
What?
Oh!